It's never been easier to edit videos on your phone or tablet while on the move than it is today, but the number of video editing apps available makes choosing the right one overwhelming. If you're a beginner to the world of video production and you're looking for a user-friendly app to craft and create videos for social media or YouTube, Viva Video is one of our favorites. The app makes it quick and simple to edit videos to your liking, covering everything from trimming and adjusting scaling to changing the speed of your clips. That's in addition to an incredible number of filters, music, text, and special effects that help make your project stand out. Of course, not everything is obvious within the app, and if you're having trouble saving videos to your phone's camera roll, or you aren't sure how to do it to begin with, you've come to the right guide. When you're done editing your video in Viva Video and you're ready to save it, just look for the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens up the export size options. If you're using the free version of the app, you can either have your video saved at a resolution of 480p or as a GIF. The VIP version, on the other hand, lets you export HD, Full HD, and Ultra HD videos. Upgrading to the paid version of Viva Video also gives you access to advanced features and premium materials, making it well worth the cost for anyone just starting out with video production. With how smoothly Viva Video runs, you'll have your video in your gallery, as well as in the app's My Drafts folder, within a couple of seconds. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering video production and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.